Welcome back, guys, to QBSYLUHV channel. Today we would like to talk about a UNISWAP, Unicoin potential targets for 2023 and the next bull run with my custom indicator set. Let's dive in. Let's start with the basic analysis. So based on this FIB, it's a top of $44.97. A top was in May 2021. One more confirmation. So the bull run ends in this time period, not in November or December here, because most likely altcoins forming something like this one. Not all of altcoins forming the double top and follow the Bitcoin. That's why we can say the UNISWAP, for example, like many other altcoins, over than 730 days in a downtrend. So it's more than enough for bear market, and it's more than 1 year, I guess, here when we charge the 27 zone here from April 2022, over than 1 year in accumulation stage. So every single time on a weekly and a monthly 27 zone, it's accumulation stage for the whales. We can trade a long time period here. And whales can check out your money. So if we take a look on the gaps, we can see we got only one main tiny gap on the monthly here at zero level. It's between 12.95 till 13.20. So we can close this gap. So down, nothing special. So all zones is already tradable. Of course, on a weekly time frame, we got a lot of maybe gaps here down or up. But if we zoom out and double check the main gaps on a monthly, so the higher time frame, the strongest signal. So this FIB is relevant. And like you can see here, we can trade just in the range this time period. From lowest point was $3.73. Top was at $9.83. So we can trade long time period in this range. And if we take a look on a weekly time frame, we can't determine, we possibly just trade in a range. We can trade long time period here. And the most worst case scenario, if we drop it down and forming the deviation. The deviation will be just at the bottom a little bit, liquidate all the stop losses around $3.23, for example. But after this deviation, the road will be open to forming the deviation at the top around $9, for example, 90. So we just trade in a range. Like you can see, here's a reaction at 18 level by FIB, global one. And here's a reaction at 0.5 level by FIB of this range. A lot of time we reject exactly at the middle range, at equilibrium. Most positive scenario will be if we just come back and test only 27 level. It's $4.30. Just liquidate this stop losses and this stop losses. So maybe we already passed the bottom in June 2022. So in this range, we can trade long time period even till end of 2023. For example, like this one move, then forming deviation, then go into the middle line, and only after that, climb it up to liquidate all this stop losses over the zero level. 61 level by FIB and 78, still not tradable. So full fill will be at 61 level by FIB here. It will be legit, and this one, fulfill, of course, a 78. Not every single altcoin will be the previous all-time high. So even from this current price for the next bull run, it will be more than okay to make a move to 500% to 61 low by FIB, 78. It's 650. So it's more than good for next bull run. Of course, a lot of people start talk, we go into a new all-time high. So if we talk about the new all-time high potential targets, it's 64 and 96. But we are in a total different condition now on the market. So it's not a post-COVID period, here when they print the money like a crazy, But everything can happen, They can print money again, and we just skyrocket. So if we just even test 0.5 level by FIB or even 68, 61, we will be still in a downtrend. So we can trade long-term period here, for example, like this one, breaking out. And only after that, maybe we'll climb it up in the next cycle after maybe one cycle. But most likely what we can see, it's 61 and 78. So Uniswap can be good because they already made a application. So people use more Uni. So let's take a look now on my indicator set. Here's a ADZ. We was in a huge accumulation stage here. So the whales accumulate a lot. Uni at here 14 till the drop to 3. So average price can be around, for example, 9. If we take a look on a fixed volume range from the top to the bottom, now we was at the most crucial level from sellers. So if we drop like this one, breaking out this level, the most important level from sellers, it's $5.95. If we're breaking out, retest, the road will be open to next target. So over then 0 level, no interest to sell. Then we will change the sentiment on the market and we will wait at the next target to sell. So now it's the most crucial level, which don't give us the option to skyrocket up. Now, what I don't like, it's we can see the divergence we can form in the lower low because we can form in the divergence on ADZ. Here, what I don't like, we can see something like this one, lower low on the chart, tiny lower low, but the biggest accumulation on ADZ, accumulation distribution. Every single time when you see this zone, it's time to out of the coin. Depends, of course, of your strategy. Depends of your time frame, what you trade, But on a weekly, it's a strong signal. On a monthly, we are never seeing the huge accumulation for uni. That's why, yes, we have all chances to crash it down. But of course, the same chance we can see move up, 3 waves down like this one, and 3 waves up like this, for example. So we are now in the middle range. So now it will be the crucial level of main decision. Are we going up or down? Let's take a look on crypto flight direction. Here, this indicator shows the time when the whales accumulate and start selling. So no signal to sell. So the whales accumulate uni here in December and January. So we can say the price at $5 at this crucial level, it's more than comfort price for whales. And then, like you can see on the weekly here, they accumulate 2 weeks and make a pump. Signal next, signal to pump. We got 36%. Then we drop because we reject at 78 low by FIB. All right, so let's go to the market mode. Market mode on the weekly here was a good time to buy. Every single time when you see the white mode on the market, it's total disbelief and nobody want to accumulate the coin because everybody start waiting. We go into zero. All crypto is a scam. And this time, when you see the white color on the market mode, it's time to accumulate and using this strategy like whales. Here, they start accumulate from the lowest point $10 till $3.50. So yes, average price can be around 7. So they more than good with the average price $7. Yes, they can be in losses now, and you can start thinking, oh, the whales in losses and they make a mistake. No, the whales never make a mistake. They can drop even like this one, accumulate once again, and we will see once again the white color in the market and drop to, for example, $3. And the average price become 5. Then from 5, they can push easily price to 12, liquidate all these stop losses, withdraw initial deposit and leave just the free coins, This is how it works. Free coins from the air. You get 1 million, your average price 5, you push the price to the top 10, 100%, withdraw initial deposit, leave just the free coins. 1 million of worth of this asset, This is how it works. So we didn't see now some crazy extreme red color, so the crazy distribution, not even orange color, so no distribution, So whales accumulated here. Now we're in the cold mood in the market. Would be good if we see once again the cold white color here in the market. So this is how it works. On a monthly, we have a room for drop on a monthly. So let's take a look on trade on. On some altcoins like Flow, I guess, Dogecoin and XRP, we got a signal to sell. And we already saw the signal take profit and the signal to buy. So you can watch my previous video about a Dogecoin. So here we got a main signal to sell at the top. So this was the end of bull run, you know. And these triangles, it's recommendation close position. Every single time if you use this indicator, for example, but I recommend you to use indicators in the complex, you can sell at the open, for example, short position, or sell at on a spot your bags. And when you see the triangle up, you can buy on a spot just to your own risk, you know, and make a profit, or open a long, for example, of course, with the stop losses. So after this recommendation, close your short position, you can open the opposite trade. You can get a profit 77%. But then we got less volatile, you know, and I'm waiting the signal to take profit. It will be the money back like this on a daily. Here's how it looks, but we have to see on a weekly. Here, you see the signal to buy, for example, recommendation, close position, we got a money back signal. Here we got a signal to buy, recommendation, close position, money back. Now we got a signal to sell, and like you can see that we got a less volatile, you know. And from this signal to sell, we got recommendation, close your short position, and sooner or later we will see the signal to take profit on the daily and signal to buy again. But the main thing is what I would like to see, it's a signal to take profit and close 100% of your short, and new signal to buy on the weekly. So this higher time frame, the strongest signal. You know, this is how it works. And the last one is take profit indicator. This indicator shows the real value of the coin. Of course, all lines are dynamic. And like you can see, we are trading now under fundamental price. So fundamental price at this current moment for Uniswap is $5.93. Buy line is $7.88. Over than 18 level by fee once again, over than this stop losses. Take profit for Uni now it's $15. So it's a safety trade. If the market now recover from this current price to take profit, we usually walk from level to level. We go into here, for example, $15.62. It will be the safety trade to withdraw all your money from this coin, or just withdraw initial deposits, just up to you, and wait the buy line again. So we walk from like this one, from under from a price, go to take profit. From take profit, we're going to the buy line. It's on a weekly. Higher time frame, the strongest signal. Even with, we can see with the weak candle, we can test 23 level by fee over the exit line. And here's an example how it works, but on a lower time frame. Why it's legit, you know. Here, the same picture, but on for swing trades. So daily, it's more for swing trades, for position trades. Every single time when we drop under fundamental price, the last line is good time to buy, you know, and time to out of coin when we touch take profit and exit line. Then we wait buy line, this one. So not the last one. So here's the last one was. Now we waited the buy line. So on the daily, if you're looking to invest in Uni now. Here, the buy line, let me mark it clear. Here, the price label. Here, buy line now on the daily, $4.08 at this current moment. So these lines are dynamic. The fundamental price now on the daily, $3.02. A $3.02 fundamental price will be the deviation and liquidation of this stop losses, the people who bought it here in June 2022. But what I would like to see, I would like to see the test of buy line, $4.08. And go into the top of this take profit 15. So it would be the perfect scenario if we would like to see the altcoin season. But of course, it's not unnecessary, so we have to now skyrocket here because maybe the whales just withdraw the profit from Bitcoin, you know, and not inflow in altcoins or not in every single altcoin. I recommend you to use all these indicators in the complex and always zoom out and double check on the higher time frame the zones for investments, you know, because you can speculate on a daily time frame, but you always have to zoom out and double check the zone of interest when you can start accumulate the coins. Guys, I hope you like this video about a Uni. Write this in comment. What do you think about this coin in general? Do you hold a Uni in your portfolio or not? If you want to trade with my custom indicator set, what I showed you in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.